Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you also want this pinkish glowy clean and a brightening skin, so just don't forget to subscribe. Go and subscribe now. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'll tell you what I have used in this face mask. I have used this grated beetroot, curd, rice flour and honey. Just mix them well and apply on your clean face. Just make sure double cleanse your face before applying any face mask or anything you are applying on your face, whether it's a cleansing or a raw milk or whatever you are doing it. Just make sure just double cleanse it and then apply it. Whatever is a leftover face mask, I have just applied on my hands. I have removed my tan. I'll get the glow here. My skin becomes so soft, so moisturizing. I use this face mask myself twice a week and my skin is quite dry, so what I have used, the leftover curd I have just taken and just gently massage all over my face. Just make sure before applying this curd your pack should get dry around 60 to 70%, and then you can massage like you can see on your screen. You guys can just share this video if you think any of your friend needed this. So you can just follow the steps, watch this and just gently massages on your forehead, your cheeks and under your eyes, and see the result guys. You'll get this magical glow on your face.
Oh my god! Wow!
So guys, if you want to see more such videos, just comment me down and let me know what is your problem and I'll make a video on it. If you need more such videos, just go check out my channel. You will get so many DIYs and you will do it, and just let me know your experience guys. I just love this pack, so I've shared with you all guys. Just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Go and subscribe now.